In this audio creator review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to turn text into audiobooks using a cloud-based software. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Audio Creator, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, get instant access to the world's first cloud-based text-to-audiobook software. It says you can professionally make easy money, they say, by creating audiobooks and selling them on places like Amazon and Fiverr. User-friendly, instant access to millions of ready-to-sell audiobooks with PLR licenses, so you don't even have to write your own book. Convert any of the millions of articles from the internet into your audiobook. You can sell unlimited audiobooks. You can have the commercial license, so you can provide this as a service, all on the front-end offer here. So that's all included with this here. You can see step one, you just log into their cloud-based software. Step two, take a photo with your phone or copy an article from the internet and upload it into the audio software. And then you can download your audiobook and do whatever you want with it. So essentially it turns that text into an audiobook using just the power of the software. Now I've got a bunch of testimonials here. Only thing I'm always wary about is if they've got like a bunch of income proof. That doesn't really matter. They show you here that people are making money by doing stuff like this, like converting PDFs to Word, PowerPoints, different kind of services similar to this. You can see also this one says, I will convert text to speech with a real human voice in an audio file. And this is going to make it sound like human voices. Now you probably want to make people tell them that it's not like a real human voice, that it's actually an audio software. But other than that, as long as you are upfront with them, you should be fine with that. You don't want to try to like pull one over on them. That wouldn't be very cool. You want to be upfront with them and maybe tell them that the reason why your prices can be low like that is because you're using a software to do that. Now, if you purchase, you get access to all this stuff here. Now, one thing I will show you is if you move your mouse away on the sales page, a discount code should pop up here. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, I'm going to play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you the backend area, the OTOs, and how you can get discounts on all of them.
Did you know you can get paid up to $158.30 with the world's first text-to-audiobook cloud-based software? That's right, you can finally join thousands of content creators in their roaring success through podcasts and audiobooks, just like Joe Rogan, Logan Paul, and so many others. This is something you've never seen before. Audiobooks are on the rise. With the rise of smartphones, people spend less and less time actually reading. Many people prefer listening to an audiobook on the go instead of reading an ebook on a Kindle. Audio Creator lets you take advantage of this gold mine. Now, in terms of money, you can expect to make between $50 and $100 an hour in the beginning for creating audiobooks with Audio Creator. Once you make a name for yourself, you can easily make over $200 for just a 1-hour audiobook. Or you can upload your own audiobook on audible.com or on your own website, where you can end up boosting your passive income to $10K a month. Audio Creator is your key to creating audiobooks and hosting your own podcasts without paying expensive voice artists or having to record or write anything yourself. So you don't need to be a professional to use Audio Creator. You don't need a high-end PC, camera, or even a microphone. All you need is your laptop or even just your phone, and that's it. We usually offer Audio Creator at $297. But when you act today, you get all the features of an Audio Creator with its commercial license, plus 10 high-quality exclusive bonuses for just $17. So get this no-brainer biz before the price starts shooting up. See you inside.
Writing this single page in a text file could take you at least 3 minutes with all of the formatting and everything it implies. Not to mention the time it would take to read out this page so you can convert it to an audiobook or a podcast. What if there was a simple way to convert entire books, whether they were PDFs, real books, your actual handwritings, to podcasts, audiobooks in an instant? So we'll take as example this page I just took a photo of out of my own library. And we're going to see the process of Audio Creator. All we have to do is upload it right here. There aren't any forms to detect any tables or receipt processing. We're going to select the language and we can choose from 6 different languages. We'll just go with English, click Extract. And it's done within seconds. And you can have a look at the result. So on the left side here, we can see the picture that had its text extracted. And on the right side, we can see the text and we can see the confidence with which the text was extracted. And we can see it from top to bottom, including the page number. We can see that it added an A here and added a confidence of 68% because it couldn't recognize this symbol here. Now, to download this file, all we have to do is just click Download Results. It will download it as a zip file with a TXT inside, and we can see it right here. Now, all we have to do is just get rid of the A, get rid of the page number, and then just copy it into our text-to-speech feature. And we just copy it here. Now, keep in mind that you can paste in here an unlimited number of characters, so you can convert books into entire podcasts or audiobooks in a matter of seconds. So now all we have to do is pick the language of our text, which is English, and for our text-to-speech function, we have over 100 languages available. That way you can use Audio Creator even just for its text-to-speech function. So let's see how Benjamin sounds, and we can just click Preview.
For description to the ones in my book, Dwayne paused to think. It was a long pause.
And it's perfect. It's just so engaging, and you can play around with either standard or AI voices to see how they sound. And we can go for Christopher now, for example.
A description to the ones in my book.
And we can see it sounds a bit different than Benjamin. And we have these tens of voices for each language that we can play around with, including output volume and speaking rate, to make sure that it fits exactly with what we want to create for our podcast or audiobook. With millions of articles included, Audio Creator is a one-stop shop for creating podcasts or audiobooks and uploading them directly on Amazon, or even just creating your own podcast. It's extremely easy to use and it's all just a few clicks away, so check it out right now and I can't wait to see you inside.
Okay, so we are back. So this is the backend area here that you saw earlier. So this is where you can do all your different text-to-speech inside of this cloud-based software. There are multiple upgrades. The first one is the unlimited one. So you can do unlimited accounts, unlimited data, unlimited access and downloads. It even has images and eCover Maker included on this one. You are going to want to move your mouse away on this one as well, as a discount should pop up for you. Just make sure you try that out. I always want to make sure you guys get the lowest price, so hit that like button. I appreciate it. The next one here is that you can get the reseller license. You can actually resell this and keep 100% of the profits. Again, you're going to want to move your mouse away and see if a little discount code pops up for that one as well. And the last one here is a done for you setup where they're going to do everything for you. Move your mouse away, get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Audio Creator and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, it is a one-time software. So just be aware that there are other softwares out there that are going to be monthly or yearly, going to cost a lot more money. This is one of those one-off things, so don't expect it to be like the best software in the world. What do I like about it? If you're someone that's on a budget, if you just want a quick and easy software to use, you don't want to be spending monthly or spending hundreds of dollars on something else out there, and you want to take text and create it and turn it into audio, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Audio Creator, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video.